This boat right here is a 961 Predator, 19-foot boat, 61-inch bottom. You'll notice that this is really a professional grade crappie boat that we have. It's a lot of storage and live wells, things in this boat. But we have this one particularly finished out in the Line X coating. So the guy's going to take this boat good portion of the year, and he's going to crappie fish out of it, and or bass fish, but mostly crappie fish. And then he'll turn to duck hunting if he's running the river, you know, pretty good distance in here. The Line X that we've got on the cap rail here, it gives us a good non-skid surface as he's stepping in and out of the boat on the dock. You'll notice in here, we do it in the console. All of our consoles are aluminum base in here, and the Line X sprayed on top of that gives it some texture. It's merely cosmetic on that, what we do for that part of it. Whereas we got it in the floor, you know, gives us good non-skid on the floor. This boat right here is one of our newest models, approximately a year and a half old. This is a 750 Gladiator. It's set up for a shallow drive mud motor application. Boat really goes in shallow water, has a zero dead rise when it's taken off in shallow water. So you'll see equipped with a mud motor on the back. But some of the features when you're looking at the Line X that we have in this boat, you'll notice where the deck runs into the sidewall, and we're able to lay this coating in here, and it gives a good seal off, really cleans up the fit and finish of the product.